Artificial intelligence is already having a huge impact on society, and that impact is set to get greater. So I think we do really need to spend some time trying to understand what artificial intelligence is. The way we think of artificial intelligence is as a machine that is programmed to perform complex tasks that usually require human intelligence. So we think of artificial intelligence as programs that are able to learn by using and analyzing data. You will already be using artificial intelligence in lots of places. For example, voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, AI recommendation systems, for example, on YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify. So they work on the basis that you watch a video and people who have a similar watching habits as you, based on the data they have, then they give you recommendations on the sorts of things other people who have similar habits to you would be watching. So that's an AI recommendation system. Then we have facial recognition for logging onto your smartphones. And then there is chatbots, for example, ChatGPT, Copilot, these tools that allow you to interact with a artificial intelligence directly. And then in video games, you have characters and bots as well that, for example, you might have in racing games, you might have other cars being driven by bots and so on. So I already mentioned that artificial intelligence needs lots of data to learn from. If you want, for example, an AI that recognizes pictures of cats, what you need to do before you can do that is you need to show it thousands of pictures of cats so it's able to recognize, identify the features of a cat, such as the whiskers and ears and so on. And then what you can do is you can show it a picture that's not seen before. And if it's a picture of a cat, it should be able to then correctly identify it as a cat. So there is a necessity to train artificial intelligence models before we can use them in any practical way. So AI, we've already established, is part of your life. It can do tasks that previously only humans could do, but other things it can do as well. It can help with your learning, and it can do many tasks better than humans can. For example, by looking at images of scans, CT scans, and medical scans, AI is better able at diagnosing diseases than doctors can. So a machine is better than a human. So that's just one example where AI is showing that it's better than humans, firstly, and secondly, having massive beneficial impacts for us, able to detect and diagnose diseases more at an earlier stage and more accurately than humans. So the future of AI is really exciting, but there are loads of challenges like the impact on jobs, and there are other ethical concerns as well. So these things, it's about understanding that balance. So what I want you to do now is spend a little time thinking about these questions. Just, are you excited or worried about developments in artificial intelligence? In what ways are you already interacting with artificial intelligence?